Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, we turn our attention to Brazil, Latin America's largest and most complex medical device market. A major regulatory shift is underway that will impact every manufacturer operating in or planning to enter the country. Brazil's health authority, ANVISA, is actively implementing its unique device identification, or UDI system. This is not a future event, it is happening now, and the details are critical for market access. The core of this change is centered around ANVISA's new UDI database, known as SIUD, and the recently published Normative Instruction 426 of 2026. This instruction lays out the specific requirements for how manufacturers must transmit and manage device data. The goal is to enhance traceability, improve post-market surveillance, and align Brazil with global standards for patient safety. While the concept of UDI is not new, ANVISA's execution presents unique challenges. This is far more than just printing a new barcode on your packaging. It requires a complete compliant data package to be submitted and approved in the SIUD database before your device can be legally commercialized. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Consider a Class 3 cardiovascular stent manufacturer. They have CE marking and FDA approval, with UDI labels already on their products. They assume entering Brazil will be straightforward. However, they discover that Normative Instruction 426 requires dozens of specific data attributes to be submitted in Portuguese, formatted exactly for the SIUD portal. Their existing global data systems are not configured to output this specific format. Suddenly, their planned market launch is delayed by months as they scramble to gather, translate, and validate the required data. This is a common and costly oversight. The compliance deadlines are staggered by device risk class, stretching over several years, but the time to build your data and regulatory infrastructure is now. Companies that treat this as a simple labeling update will face significant barriers. In contrast, companies that proactively build a robust data submission strategy will solidify their position and potentially outmaneuver slower competitors. Navigating these complex local requirements is a significant undertaking. For expert guidance on ANVISA's UDI system and a streamlined path to market access in Brazil and other LATAM countries, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.